Welcome to this tutorial on changing the language in your WordPress website. In this guide, you will learn how to update your site's language settings quickly and efficiently using the WordPress dashboard. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, notice the login option located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this login button will take you to the authentication screen where you can access your account. After clicking the login option, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. This provides a simple and secure way to sign in without having to remember a separate password. When you choose the Continue with Google button, a list of your Google accounts will appear on the screen. Select the account that you wish to use to log in, and WordPress will automatically authenticate you and grant access to your administrative dashboard. Now that you have successfully logged into your WordPress account, the next step is to navigate to the settings area of your site. Once you are in the dashboard, look for the section labeled Settings. This section is critical because it contains a variety of options that allow you to customize your site. When you click on the settings option, you are taken to a page where you can modify numerous aspects of your website's configuration. Within the settings menu, find the general option. The general settings page is designed to let you change the basic details of your website, such as the site title, tagline, and many other foundational settings. Here, you will also be able to locate the section that is specifically dedicated to site language. In this part of the general settings, you will see a field that indicates the current language setting of your website. Scroll until you see the site language option. This is where you have the ability to choose the language that best suits your audience and content. With a variety of languages available, simply click on the drop-down menu to reveal all the options and select the language you prefer. Take a moment to verify your selection to ensure that you have chosen the correct language for your site. It is important to double check because this setting will change the language of your website's interface, including the administrative area and various system messages. After you have reviewed your chosen language, move on to save your changes. To complete the process, click on the Save Changes button located at the bottom of the page. Once you click it, WordPress will update your site's language settings accordingly, ensuring that the new language appears immediately across your website. This change will help you cater to users who speak your selected language, making your site more accessible and user-friendly. This simple yet effective process demonstrates how quickly you can modify your site's language settings through the WordPress dashboard. Enjoy the new language configuration on your site and feel confident in managing the settings that tailor your website to best meet your audience's needs.